At the University of Arizona, we believe research goes well beyond discovery. It's a direct investment in the health, security, and prosperity of Arizona and the nation. Our scientists, engineers, scholars, and students are addressing the challenges that matter most to families, communities, and industries across our state. But what does that look like through the eyes of our students? Here are 3 stories that show how research is shaping their lives and the future.
I was offered an opportunity to do a shadow experience with research and ended up joining Kim Ogden's lab at UofA. She was part of the chemical and environmental engineering department, and she was doing an experiment where they were treating PFAS, which is a contaminant in water, using algae. I became interested in that because as a Navajo from the Navajo Nation, I grew up without, clean water. So that became one of my major reasons why I chose to go into environmental engineering, because I wanted to go into water treatment processes. Every time I talk to my son, he always tells me oh man, my mom's a scientist. And I never thought a scientist could ever be so cool.
In research, you can't just be siloed away into one department, one lab. You really have to collaborate. The reason why I chose the University of Arizona is because it is a family and it fosters a really collaborative environment. I can't imagine being at a better place. Right now, I'm analyzing a data set, trying to understand how to prevent Alzheimer's disease. Looking at the data and realizing that these are real people, it's been really impactful. Helping people have more time with their loved ones is what keeps driving me forward. I'm really excited that I chose this path so that I can bring research and the clinic and merge the gap so that we can have proactive solutions and more effective results for patients.
We have these moments that we call targets of opportunity. I was in 6th grade and I picked up a magazine from Sky and Telescope, and they had a whole article on asteroids. And I ended up taking an astronomy camp here at the University of Arizona. Did undergrad geoscience in 2018 and grad school in 2022, and here I am today. And for me, it really started with asteroids. It's really special to focus on that now. What makes me value research so much is that it's just a way to kind of express and focus on a certain curiosity that's been inside all of us, like taking a flashlight and looking into the shadows and seeing what might be there. And it's just always exciting, especially when it comes to asteroids. There's still a lot to kind of look at and understand, and we're only kind of just scratching the surface now.
Our research is an important part of the student journey. By working alongside faculty who nurture talent for science and technology, students gain real-world experience for the future. We're here to grow the workforce of tomorrow, strengthen industries across Arizona, and solve the most pressing problems faced by people across our state and beyond.